these are the Spada Rigger Gloves, and I've had these now I reckon for a good couple of years. Have zip fastening on the back, 2 poppers on the underside there for adjustment. They make quite a nice snug fit, and they're just easy to pull on and off. I mean, you can see they're quite a short glove, and where I've used and abused them really, the ends are starting to turn up now, but they're still a glove that I go for, and I like wearing them. They're comfortable. Are they completely waterproof still 2 years down the line? I've not looked after them, they've not been cleaned, they get oily dirty hands put into them. They're still good for going out and getting caught in the rain and keeping me dry. I like them. They do them in different sizes. They do a tan version and the black version. And of course retro stripe on it as well. Very cool if you want that cafe racer kind of look.